Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another great review. This is from TP-Link. You can go to tp-link.com to see these. This is their AC4000 Mu-Mimo tri-band Wi-Fi router. It's an Archer A20 model, if you want to check that out. I got to tell you, we use TP-Link here in the office, and we love it. It runs our networks here. So I think we have the AC5400, and we love it. This is one of their newer routers than the one we have, and it does an excellent job as well. It's got ultra-fast processing and 1.8 gigahertz 64-bit quad-core CPU that handles all your processing needs. It's got 4,000 megabit speed of Wi-Fi and 1625 megabytes on both the 5G bands and 750 megabytes on the 2.4 gigabyte band. There's no more buffering with Mu-Mimo, and tri-band enables the router to connect more devices at the same time. It's got wide range with range boost technology that boosts the Wi-Fi to farther coverage, and beamforming focuses signals to connect devices. You can secure your network. It's got home care on it, which protects your network from malicious attacks and lets you manage network access. Easy setup with the intuitive Tether app. You can set up your network within a minute. And it's got Gigabit wired speeds. It's got 1 LAN and 4 LAN Gigabit ports that can maximize your wired speeds, while link aggregation doubles it to 2 gigabytes per second. Holy crap-a-moly. Anyway, I love these products. They work great. We got a chance to test it out and loved it. I think you will too. Go check it out at tp-link.com. It's the AC4000 Mu-Mimo tri-band Wi-Fi router.